Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce and demonstrate one of the most important toolkits, Impacket, when we deal with Windows machine and Active Directory. Imagine having a toolkit that can execute command remotely, dump credentials, abuse Active Directory, and move laterally across a network, or using native Windows protocols. That's exactly what Impacket can do. And today, I'm going to show you what Impacket is, why it's so powerful, and how you can install it step by step for your own pen testing lab. So if you are targeting or learning Windows machine, this is right for you. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's start with the overview of Impacket, or what Impacket is. So you can see over here, Impacket is a collection of Python classes for working with network protocols. Impacket is focused on providing low-level programmatic access to the packets, and for some protocols like Samba, like RPC, the protocol implementation itself. In one word, Impacket is a Python-based toolkit designed to work with network protocols such as Samba, such as Kerberos, RPC, and NTLM. You know, the Kerberos is network authentication protocol for Windows, and NTLM is another authentication protocol which is a bit older than Kerberos. And Kerberos is a very important protocol in Windows environment. And this will take a concept of ticket. You know, if you want to access anything in the Windows environment, like a surface, like objects, you need to have a ticket from the authentication authority. Okay? So here is the important part. Impacket, I don't know whether I pronounce it properly. You know, Impacket doesn't just analyze protocols. This allows you to interact with them. Not just analyze, allows you to interact with them. For example, execute command. For example, even change password, create users. So this can make it extremely powerful for offensive security and pen testing. And for pen testers, Impacket is used to simulate real-world attacks such as remote command execution, credential dumping, Active Directory attacks, lateral movement, and privilege escalation. And this is exactly why Impacket is also heavily used by real-world attackers. So why Impacket is so powerful? One of the reasons is that, you know, Impacket leverages legitimate or native Windows protocols, just I mentioned, like Samba, like Kerberos, like NTLM, like RPC. So unlike some other tools, Impacket will not drop malware which will be detected by, you know, the security software, right? Instead, it behaves like normal network traffic, and this can make detection much harder. Okay? For example, we can use Samba to execute commands remotely. And we can use Kerberos to request authentication tickets. And also we can use RPC to interact with Windows services. So this is why tools inside Impacket are often used in pen testing. Okay? And another point I'd like to share with you is that Impacket is not just a one tool. It's a collection of powerful tools or scripts. And for example, some of the most commonly used tools include like PS, execute, this one. I don't know where to find it. I think we can go to examples. Yes, for example, the PS execute, and this can allow us to execute commands remotely. Also, like similarly, but it will use different protocol WMI execute, and this can do stealthy command execution. And also like secret dump, very, very important. This can perform credential dumping. And also like GetNPUsers, which one? GetNPUsers. And this will do the ASREP roasting attack. And also like get users pings, and this will do Kerberoasting attack. Don't worry, you will know what I mean when we get there. In future videos, I will break this down one by one in detail. Okay, so now let's move to the practical part, how to install Impacket. Okay, let's head over to Kali Linux. By default, Kali Linux has Impacket installed, so it's unnecessary for us to install it. Okay, and you can use this way to execute any of tools. We can use tab and to get all included tools in this wonderful toolkit. For example, like get AD users, get AD. AD means Active Directory computers. This one, WMI execute. Okay? But in case for some reason you need to install it manually in your own environment, and there also would be various ways, but I'd like to demonstrate one of the most popular way. Okay, we need to set up the Python environment first. I recommend you do this same way. Okay, so how to do? We can use Python and to create the virtual environment. Then we can activate this virtual environment. Then we can use pip. Of course, sorry. We can, as you can see over here, you can use, no, not this one. Let's go back. And, you can use this command to grab the latest stable release. But I'd like to use this way. We can go to the master branch to, clone the repository from the GitHub. Okay, we can copy its address, and then we can use git clone. Already exists. And let me remove this current directory. Now let me grab the development version of Impacket, and then we can go inside this directory, and then we can use pip and install current directory, and this is going to install Impacket in this virtual environment. Okay. Yes, it's done. So now let's confirm everything is working. Let's go inside examples directory, and you can see all, tools inside this directory. And unlike globally installed Impacket, we can use this way. You can use, for example, like use this way to execute. Okay, but also you can use like a Python, and you can use the same way or this way to execute any of the tools. Okay, so now this confirms we have already installed it successfully. And in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate different categories of tools in this wonderful package. And to demonstrate clearly, I will use this target on the Trahakmi Razor Black. Okay, and so if you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about Impacket or pen testing, please leave them in the comments. I will cover them in future videos. See you in the next one.